That's so cool. Man, this thing is so angry. Nothing takes the wind out of you like trying to pull over a sled that doesn't want to start. So it's cold as heck here today, and it is minus 40 degrees Celsius. I don't really need to go anywhere today. I actually just got sent home from work because the power's out because it's so cold. And the area that I'm in, they're kind of on the verge of like a state of emergency just because of how cold it is and nobody has power. So I can't really think of anything better to do with my time right now aside from go outside and see if I can do a cold start on the snowmobile. So usually these machines, they're built to be ran anywhere between, I don't know, say like -1 to about like -15. And then they start to get a little bit unhappy. So I'm going to throw my boots on, a hat, and I'll meet you guys back out in the yard. Oh my God, it is cold. I'm hoping this doesn't turn into an ordeal of how to get a frozen snowmobile started. There's a few different things that I could try, but I really don't want to. Oh man, everything's frozen. It's like a temperature where it's too cold to even snow. And I've got my doubts if the electric start on this is gonna take. Actually, I think that's very unlikely. Let me turn the fuel on. I also left my jump pack out in my truck. So if this doesn't work, oh my God, even the seat's like frozen hard. Yeah, it'd probably help if I put the keys in the thing. Oh, it's like so cold that we're just like at that temperature where you don't even notice it getting colder. It's just friggin' cold. Ooh, ignition's froze. Come on, baby. On the struggle bus. Sometimes I gotta jiggle this about 1,000 times to actually get it to rotate. Come on. I don't want to break it. I'll see if it rotates. Oh, yeah, she's unhappy. Good. Okay, there we go. There's the ignition. Okay. I shouldn't have left this in my truck because now it's cold. It's actually in a fault mode now. A little warning comes up. I'm telling you, nothing takes the wind out of you like trying to pull over a sled that doesn't want to start. I got greedy. My beard's pretty frozen. running. Barely. The lens is all froze up. I don't think I'm going to bother trying to get the dollies under the skis immediately. I just don't want to lose all the heat in my garage. Okay, I get the sled in here. I have to go start back up. Oh man, I don't know how many times I was trying to pull that thing over. Oh, good God. Door closed. Holy crap. So I made a mistake. I pulled the sled up to the front of the garage and I figured, I'll just go in, I'll open the door, then I'll just run out and grab the sled. Now I left it running and it died. And I'm gonna spare you the audio, but I must have tried pulling this thing over probably at least 40 or 50 times. And every time I'd like just get there and it would cough a little bit. You get like that little, oh God, mustache. You get like that little ray of hope. Like, okay, the next pull, she's gonna go. No, this thing is angry, very angry. So out in the garage, I forgot to take an outro to the video. Yeah, it's really cold out, so I figured I'm done out there for the day, and I'm just gonna hang out with my dog. And I don't think she really has a problem with that. So we'll see you guys in the next video. We're gonna try to stay warm now. Bye.